Anyway. That looks like it's for positioning. Anyway, let's call it. This is definitely the smallest Kone I've ever been in. Oh my god. This one's tiny. Holy crap. Sorry, you're gonna get a little bit of my elbow in the shot. There is nowhere else for it to go. Oh my god, I'm literally like craned up against the wall here. And it's in 0.5 and I'm still having to like put the phone right up to my face to get a good angle. Holy crap, this thing is tiny. Kone. Alright, let's go. God. This thing is so bitty. There's the indicator. Your fixtures. Your passenger. And your photographer. Literally, it says this thing has a capacity of 3 people. I don't even know how it could fit that much. Like, dude, that's crazy. That's insane. 225.